Hi everyone, and welcome to the short demonstration of how Postcode Heatmap can help you with your marketing efforts. So just a quick introduction to what Postcode Heatmap is. Postcode Heatmap is a product primarily for sales and marketing professionals that can help you better understand where and who your customers are, ultimately generate more sales through the power of geographic visualization. Now let's get started with a simple demonstration. So I've already uploaded a spreadsheet of customer orders, which I've exported from my CRM. Let's generate a heat map from this. So this heat map now shows me the total number of customer orders by county. The darker shaded counties have a higher number of orders, whilst the lighter shaded counties have a lower number. This is actually quite useful already, as I can now determine from a glance things like which parts of the country we might need to invest in more targeted campaigns. I can also download a report of this information, which gives me a more detailed breakdown. Another interesting thing I can do now is drill down further into specific counties. So let's drill down into this county here. Now a new heat map has been generated from my spreadsheet, but for this particular county only. And this time the customer orders have been aggregated by a really specific geographic area, which has given me a really granular view of where my customer orders are coming from. This is especially useful if you're focusing on particular customer demographics. Now, if we go back to the county map, I'll show you some more interesting features you can use. So my customer order spreadsheet I uploaded earlier contained a cost amount, order quantity, and the customer's gender as part of each order. Postcode Heatmap makes it really simple to generate maps and reports from this information. Simply select how you want to aggregate your data. So now this heat map shows me the sum total of purchases made by county. And this heat map shows me which counties had the highest number of orders by gender. So you can see that this county had a majority of purchases made by males, whilst this county had a female majority. So really useful for determining market segments. Again, I can generate a breakdown report of this data. I can also download an image of this map, or I can publish it so I can share it with my colleagues or embed it in a website. So this was a really quick introduction to Postcode Heatmap. There are a load of other features for visualizing your customer data and customizing your maps. So you can sign up to Postcode Heatmap for free and start experimenting straight away. Thanks for watching.